Azurfa Women and Youth Development Initiative was established in 2016 with the vision of empowering women and youth in Nigeria. The foundation is set to carry out free cervical cancer and human papillomavirus HPV vaccination exercise for children between the ages of 9 and 14 in Akko local government area of Gombe state. Women have been found to be the most vulnerable group affected with the virus in Nigeria.
This sensitization that we are embarking on has been sponsored by GAVIC, of which several donors were able to support us through virus training, and to achieve that at the end of everything, the eligible girls from 9 years to 14 years came out for the vaccination.
Stakeholders at the awareness campaign speaks with one voice, stressing the importance of the vaccination and appreciates the foundation for the gesture.
Look at the scourge of the cervical cancer, which is one of the diseases caused by the virus. So this is an opportunity for everyone, especially the eligible population, because the plan was to implement the campaign in phases. We had phase 1 states, about 60 states introduced the vaccine in 2023 last year. And for this year, we are looking at 21 states, of which Gombe is one. But by 2025, only 9-year-old girls will be vaccinated. So by then it would have been fully introduced into the national routine immunization schedule in Nigeria.
Longer period of time, cancer disease is killing women, more especially at reproductive age. But with this recent development of having these vaccines for prevention of cancer, I think it's a step forward. Part of the local government had been visited, and the mobilization officers are there on ground, including the religious leaders, traditional leaders, youth group, women group. All the stakeholders are being involved.
At the end of the training, stakeholders are expected to be equipped with necessary skills on how to dispense the vaccination effectively. Fatia Awal Abba.